awesome YouTubers for the Crayola Glitter Dots Party so that they could experience the less mess way to play with glitter for themselves.
This is our Glitter Dots Museum. Here you can see all the different awesome glitter dot kits and the things you can do with glitter dots.
There are so many options with glitter dots. Here's my personal favorite, the Sparkle Station.
Look at this fruit bowl, and of course the glitter dot shoes. If you want to check out the full challenge behind these amazing shoes, check out the link in the description below. And over here we have the world's largest glitter dots piece of artwork. This is based on a painting by one of my favorite artists, Vincent van Gogh, but we like to call it Glitter Night. It took 5,500 glitter dots to create. Can you believe it? It took 2 Crayola artists 20 hours to create this full piece of artwork. Look how shimmery it is. And the colors are so precise, almost like the original painting. Can you believe that this is the world's largest glitter dot? Just think of all the different things you can create with this. Oh, we even have a crafting table. It looks like the fun never stops. Wow, these crafts look incredible. Anyone could make a glitter dot craft, even adults. And this is the dreaded glitter drop station. This is where our brave guests will be showered with buckets of glitter. Look how messy glitter is. It's everywhere. I remember when I did this. Yeah, I didn't get a suit. Guess where I am? It's the Glitter Dots Celebration Station. It's where all of our guests can experience our signature Glitter Dots celebration.
Crayola Glitter Dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store.